this video. Let's take a look at updates to SCAIL-2 end-to-end character animation. This improvement is quite noticeable. What's in this direction? Pushed forward by a large margin. Model supports reference image with driving video. Generate the video. Also supports partial reference replacement. How does the SCAIL-2 model compare to its predecessor? I think the best part is that it offers a resolution of 704p. It can render videos with a resolution of 704 by 1280. Very clear. Because its previous version only supported 512 by 896, or vice versa. Such video resolutions. The consistent feature of the scale model, maintaining consistency, is key. It lies in the instincts of animals and xenomorphs. Such non-human references can perform flawlessly. We're just like a dog for reference. Can also guide effectively. We should remember what was mentioned at the beginning. This is an end-to-end video generation system, I believe. That's why it skipped the intermediate bone guidance and the mask. You can achieve results as good as these now. There are 4 sets of procedures here. Single or double player reference editing process for solo and duo videos. Then we look at the workflow, this test and its usage. The world's largest online ComfyUI cloud platform, RunningHub, AI experts and enthusiasts most commonly use online workbench. The latest and best technologies are being updated in real time and can be run online. Let me start with a quick boot up. First, workflow, a single biological image with a single biological guidance video. Adjust the aspect ratio of the video here. We can set both to 512 by 896 simultaneously. You can also set both to 704 by 1280 at the same time. If we want to do a horizontal screen format, flip them around. At low video, let's set the frame rate for our video rendering. This defaults to rendering 141 frames here because it's a cyclic process. Then, after entering the loop, each loop will add 76 frames. Though it said that, I don't need to fill this out here. The number of iterations is automatically calculated, but we can also take control. The duration we generate each time by controlling the frame rate. Just fill in the prompt keywords briefly. Positive prompt, British prompt. Then this prompt, we want to know what our generated videos look like. We should write it like this. Why do you say that? Because we'll need another prompt later on. This prompt is about what? What about the biological motion videos we've loaded? We need to enter a prompt to extract our biomaterials. The creatures in the video are based on references. For example, this is where humans are. If it were a dog, that's a dog. Or other creatures are also acceptable. This is the quick start guide for solo video walkthroughs. Then for quick start with dual video guidance, almost exactly the same. Besides SAMS3, let's adjust the wording outside the prompt. All other operations are exactly the same. We need to change this prompt to involve 2 people. Third process, reference editing guided by single-cell organisms. We can select the part we want to edit, confined to a specific area. The rest remains unchanged from the original video. The parameter we need to adjust here, it is exactly the same as single-player guidance, because even when we guide individually, we have used the SAMS3. So there is no difference here. Dual guide reference editing and our original dual life guidance process is the same as well. Just adjust the prompts for SAM3. Go to RunningHub.ai with invite code RH-V111 or click the link in the description. Register to receive 1,000 RH coins. Log in every day and get 100 points. Corresponding to the video, AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been synchronized and deployed online. Can be run and tested online. Then let's look at the details. Then what about our SCAIL-2 model? A model with multiple functions integrated. As per official statements, uses scale preview. Video capabilities like OneAnimate and Mocha. Here I focus on OneAnimate's model. Some of our commonly used custom models, they've all been moved over. The results were not clearly serialized. Users can choose to delete selectively. Or you can fine-tune your own LoRA model. What's the difference between these 4 processes? It's quite subtle. Not so clear-cut. We can see some detailed nodes. Understand the differences between the 4 processes. First, unify switch replacement mode. This mode, it means applying it globally. Still refer to the editor. Here I chose false. Therefore, it should be a global reference. Watch this area. It connects 2 points. So this one comes from our SCAIL-2 model, merge condition nodes. There is also one from our SAM3 related node. When we choose false, it means our video features a black background. If we switch to true, the background will be white. At this moment then, we need to consider replacing it. Main prompt for SAM3. We write person for single individuals. Then for 2 people or more, we write people. 2 people, 2 dancers. We'll use animal. Here there should be no doubts. Then let's look at SAM3, tracking such a driven entity. The first relevant node is the detection threshold. This is the default setting I set for dual use at 0.45. If incomplete detection is found, reduce it to 0.35 to 0.4. The second number is the maximum target count. If we have multiple people involved, here it's just a little higher. For example, 4 people, adjust to 4. Third value, I set the detection interval to 1. Detecting frame by frame is the safest approach, but also the slowest. There's another node behind. If our bio-guided video is about, if there is only 1 living guide option available, we just need to cut it into 0 pieces. If we have 3 pieces, cut them into 0, 1, and 2. This is different from our previous case with multiple targets, rising almost simultaneously. 2-person and group play. This is the same process here. This area hasn't been developed into a circular system yet. I used a for loop node, simply turned it into a loop. This cycle is relatively easy to build, so we won't go on and on, because I've already done so many loops. Then you're interested? Check out my previous videos. Well, worth a try. Hard to believe. The community is built on so many outdated models, mixed up such a great thing. This is almost as close to closed source performance as possible. Other animals, like dogs, for example,